Today I'm presenting the weighing career choices case about Alan Bream. He has two job offers at the same salary, which is $70,000, but they are very different in structure and risk. My goal is to do three things: define clear decision criteria, apply a weighted assessment, and give a clear recommendation. Here is the situation in one line. 270K offers stable CPG employee track versus self-employed consulting with possible ownership upside. Option 1 is the CPG firm. Assistant marketing manager in Toronto. Normal hours 8:30 to 4:30. Rare weekends and heavy training. Up to 50% of the first 6 months. There's also a peer ranking system and typical raises around 15%. Option 2 is consulting. He's self-employed, paid 70K, but he covers his own taxes and extra health needs. Expects about 30K per year in expenses, and there's a call option to buy the small company within about 3 years at a current valuation. So the key is same salary on paper, but very different economics, development, and risks. To compare these two offers fairly, Alan should use six clear criteria. First is what he'll actually be doing day to day and whether it matches his strengths and interests. Second is career growth. Which option gives him stronger learning, mentorship, and future opportunities? Third is financial reality. Not just the headline salary, but what he keeps after benefits, costs, and self employment expenses. Fourth is risk and stability. How predictable the income and path are and what could realistically go wrong. And fifth is lifestyle and values. Hours, stress, autonomy, and the kind of life he wants. And sixth is upside or optionality. Whether the option creates a meaningful future upside like ownership and how realistic the upside is. Using these criteria, he should rate each option and then put more weight on what matters most right now. For an early career decision, fit, growth, and financial reality usually carry the most weight, while upside matters only if the ownership path is actually credible. Now I will use this weighted scorecard. So I rate each option on the same criteria. Then I give more weight to the criteria that matters most. For an early career decision, usually it is fit, learning growth, and financial reality, plus some weight for risk. When I do that, the CPG option comes out overall. The main reason is that it's stronger. It offers structured development, a clear progression path, and more predictable outcomes. In other words, it's the safer option for career building capital early. The consulting option can still win, but only if Alan personally values entrepreneurship and ownership more than stability. And if the ownership upside is actually realistic, if he reweights the scorecard to prioritize autonomy and upside, consulting may score higher. But with balanced early career priorities, the scorecard supports choosing CPG. Now this map shows a key insight. Both options have risk, but they are different kinds. CPG risk is performance based. He's ranked against peers and lower ranked employees can be pushed out. Consulting risk is uncertainty based. Alan is uncertain about revenues and what he'd pay to purchase the company. Plus there's risk that owner could sell to somebody else, competitive pressure could rise, or the working relationship could fail. So if Alan chooses consulting, he should use a conditions gate to reduce uncertainty before committing. Get financial statements and real numbers, confirm valuation and terms, get the call option terms in writing, and define an exit plan and timeline. So overall, CPG is the best choice for strong early career development and stability, while keeping entrepreneurship as a future option.